Hello and welcome to the Spiritual Sense Kundalini Yoga short sessions. Today we're going to focus on opening the heart chakra. So if you haven't tried Kundalini Yoga, I suggest try some of my other videos. I have several 45 to an hour minute sessions as well as short ones that you can try and see how you feel. And please subscribe and like and comment on this content, as well as any ideas for future sessions as well. So sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a cushion or on the floor, somewhere where you are not going to be disturbed. And sit in a half lotus or lotus pose if you are able to. And then close your eyes. We're going to start with Kundalini mantra. Close your eyes. Make sure your back is straight. Place your hands together. Take a few deep breaths. Anchor yourself to your breath. Take a few more deep breaths. You repeat after me or say it with me 3 times. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Keep your eyes closed. May this Kundalini Yoga session open our hearts, bridge us from the lower 3 chakras to the higher 3 chakras, bridge us to the divinity and humanity within. Open your eyes. The first move that we're going to do is, so hold your hands like this and pull opposite direction. So left to left, right to right, as if somebody's trying to pull you, but not too hard. And then what we're going to do, still make sure that your back is straight. We're going to go up, down, and we're going to, in our mind, say Sat Nam, and we're going to go fairly fast. At the same time, we're going to inhale on left, exhale on right. Inhale on left, exhale on right. This is a heart opening kriya. So let's do it. Take a few deep breaths. So in. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. Continue saying that in your head. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. And relax. You may feel that your shoulders are feeling a little bit numb or tense, but generally after a few seconds, you should feel a sense of relief in your shoulders. So take a few deep breaths. And we're going to do that again, but this time breathe in on the right, breathe out on the left. Make sure your spine is always super straight and your shoulders are down, away from your ears. And again, intertwine your hands again, fingers. Breathe in on the right, breathe out on left. Sat Nam, 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 Sat Nam. Make sure your breaths in and out both are really intense and strong. And relax. The reason for such intense breaths is you're bringing life into your body. It's life force energy, and you're letting go anything that doesn't serve you. You're being intentional and saying to the universe that you're really intentional about the practice. And the most important reason why is the thoughts are less likely to creep in inside your head when you are being kind of loud and expressing yourself with breath in full intentionality. You're not going to be thinking about something else while you're doing it. It's going to bring you into the present moment. After all, we're doing this for only 10-15 minutes. The sessions are really short. And to close, we're going to end with a mantra. We're not going to end, but this is the last portion of the video before we close out. We're going to focus on the heart chakra. Heart chakra is in between your chest, in the middle of your chest, and it's a green color. Imagine, as you're saying this mantra, imagine your chakra being fully open, getting larger and larger in a beautiful, vibrant green color, emerald green, if you will. And while we're saying the mantra Yam, Yam is the Bija mantra for the heart chakra. So close your eyes. You can rest your hands on your knees and make sure your back still is straight, spine is super straight. Suck in your lower belly into your spine, just like you're doing regular yoga or Pilates or whatnot. Stuck in your belly. Take a few deep breaths. We're going to start chanting Yum as we imagine the heart chakra, bright green, emerald green color, becoming brighter and brighter. Yum. 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 Feel the vibrations of what you're saying in your chest and your throat. Slowly radiate out, down and up your spine, up into your body, your whole body. Yum, 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 and louder. Yum, 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 yum. You should feel tingling inside your chest. Yum, 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 yum. Light vibrations. Yum, 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 and faster. Yum, 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 yum. Relax. Feel the beautiful vibrations of the mantra inside your lips, your neck, your chest, belly. Vibrations are going down your arms, down your back, into your legs and feet and toes. Your heart chakra, imagine the heart chakra expanding out. Beautiful green color, vibrating, beautiful speed, moderate, fast, expanding out into your neck and head, above your crown, below your chest and your belly, below your legs, and expanding out below your toes, below your feet. Now your entire aura is green. You are compassionate, yet you are grounded within yourself. Your heart chakra is open. Take care of your heart and be gentle to your heart. Few more deep breaths. Keep your eyes closed. Place your palms together and let's close out with Om 3 times. Om. 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 Keep your eyes closed and repeat after me. Say it loud, proud. I love you, my heart. I love you, my heart. I love you, my heart. Now, vigorously put your hands together. Generate some energy between your palms. And now, take your hands apart. Place that energy onto your heart, onto your chest, middle of your chest. Feel the warmth going into your heart, heating up your entire body with love, which you already are. And may everyone and everything that come in touch with you today and always feel the love from you. And may you feel the love from them as well. Open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you guys so much. And let me know what you think about this, as well as don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as well. I'm mostly active on Instagram. And don't forget to visit my website, thespiritualsense.com, for lots of free things. And I also have offers on human design and one-on-one Kundalini yoga sessions. Thank you and see you soon.